this is Mateo here with Byrider in Madison. I just wanted to let you know why it is important to check your tire pressure. As air temperatures do get cooler throughout the winter, tire pressures do decrease, leading to you filling up your tires more frequently in the winter. Overinflation can cause premature tire wear, reducing the handling performance since less rubber is in contact with the road. Underinflated tires do lead to increased rolling resistance, meaning that your vehicle have to use more fuel or energy to move the car, negatively impacting your vehicle's fuel economy. So just make sure that the tires on your vehicle are properly inflated to avoid any issues in the future with your car and uneven wear on your tires.